Get out my head, get out my head, bitch, get out my head. Milkshake brings all the...
How to create this kind of AI dancing video. Actually, these kinds of videos are quite easy to make. Today, let's explore together how to use AI to create unique dance videos and bring your character to life. First, you need to create a static AI character. Here, we use any video converter AI image generator. Now, let's upload a reference image first and then enter the English prompt in the text box. Normally, I choose to generate 4K images at once. This usually gives me images I'm satisfied with. You can choose to generate up to 7 images at once, and the image quality can be set to 4K. Image generation is the most important step in creating AI dance video. After the image is created, open the link to create the video. Select popular dance videos from the Motion library, then upload the images you generated. Look, here's the complete AI dance video. If you choose the right tools, creating AI-generated dance video is a piece of cake.
Milkshake brings all the boys to the farm, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I could treat you, but I have to charge.
Subscribe to me and I'll teach you more about AI in the next video.